Hi everyone, we welcome you all. Today we are going to make a beautiful hedgehog with the help of some of the leaves. You may need glue to add further details. We are making use of the black marker. This one is so good. For our second activity, we require the modeling clay and we are going to make an apple that is being rotten by some caterpillar or any worm, whatever you would like to call it. With the help of the black marker, we are adding the further details of the worm. This one is so good and nice. Let's make these cute tiny animals with the help of the white sheet of the paper that we have cut it down in somewhat circular shape. After that we are adding the further details with some colored pen. This one so is easy and is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 6 to 7. Definitely go for this one, it's very nice. Next we are going to trace down the hand as shown on your screens. After that we are going to add the further details with the help of the marker. This will actually represent a beautiful peacock. Fill it with some of your beautiful colors. We are making use of the yellow one for the body of the peacock. After that we are making the feathers with the blue one. You can use any other color of your favorite choice. You can use the green one as well, that will look more beautiful. For our next project, we are taking the blue sheet of the paper, then we are pasting it in somewhat semicircular type. After that, we are going to make the flower vase with the help of the yellow sheet of the paper, then add the more details with the help of the black marker like the branch, and then we are decorating it with the help of the modeling clay. This one is so easy and good. For this project, you may require the brown colored sheet of the paper that we have cut it down in the shape of the tree trunk. After that, with the help of the leaves, we are making some of the imprints using the different colors like the red, yellow and the orange one. This one is so good and simple. This painting is very simple and it's very less time consuming. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 7 to 8. Difficulty level is very simple. Definitely go for this one. See how beautiful the seashore looks at the end. It's so simple. You may require wax so that you can fill the water and draw the further details. With the help of the black marker, we are going to trace down a cute little bird. For this, you just have to follow the steps. You can pause the video so that you can trace it down perfectly and you can have a much clearer look. Fill it with any other color. We are here using the purple one. You can use other colors like the yellow, green or any other, which one you like. Next, we are going to trace down a squirrel. For this, we are making use of the black marker. You can use a pencil at the beginning so that you may not make any of the mistakes. Then you just have to follow the steps. Don't forget to make its tail bushy one because squirrels have bushy tail and it represents the whole squirrel. Fill it with some beautiful colors. Here we are going to trace down some blossom trees. For this we are making use of the brown color for creating the soil. After that, green one is used for the grass. Then at the top of it we are going to make a beautiful branch of a tree above which will represent the whole blossoms. For this we are making use of the earbud as well. This painting is very easy and it's very less time consuming. You may need a little bit of the practice so that you can become pro in this one. We can make a beautiful strawberry basket out of some colorful sheets of the paper in just few easy simple steps. If you don't believe us, then you just have to follow the steps that we have shown here. This one is so good and easy. Definitely go for this one. You may require the glue for sticking them. Thank you for watching.